The first thing you have to understand as a Forex trader who is starting, you have to understand that there will be difficulties, there will be moments of sadness, there will be when you have no one who is supporting you. Everything is going to be up to you. Your motivation is going to come from within you. Your power to do it again will come just from the situations you are living in. Let's say like poverty, your family is poor, your uncles do not know your name, your parents are not proud, your spouse is just like, find another job, find something stable, something that can pay you. If you really want to do trading and succeed from it, you have to stick to the reasons why you're doing that thing. So if you feel like it's down, you see no directions, you can see forward, you can see in future, you can see the future of yourself in trading, the better thing to do is to remind yourself, why did you start? Or why did you even like it? Why did you even want to start it? If you keep the reasons in your mind, man, you must succeed in trading. But if you just come and you're trying to do it like a random thing or side job, like it's a second option, I promise you, trading won't work for you. It will take time, man. And another thing you have to do if you want to start and succeed in trading, you have to find a mentor. Either online mentor or a mentor you can meet physically. If you find someone who you can meet physically, then it would be great. But that person have to be skilled and experienced in trading, not just a random guy who just shows up and say he knows how to mentor. You need someone who is doing that thing, who at least got her life changed by that thing you want, because you are chasing that change he's showing. So you have to follow that too. Another thing, if you want to succeed in trading, you have to be consistent. Majority of traders, majority of motivation speakers, majority of everybody who say they succeeded, they keep saying the word consistency. What does it mean? Consistency means it actually means to do that thing, the same thing, over and over and over. You do it now, you fail. You do it again, you fail. You do it again and again and again and again. Even if you can keep failing and you keep doing it, it leads you to positive. If you learn mathematics, there is this principle. It's not a principle, it's a formula. Negative minus negative.
It's positive.
Yeah, it's positive. You know that. So if you keep adding those negativities, negative moments, sadness, it all leads to positive. So it's better for you to focus on trading and you keep your mindset positive. That means if you lose, you have to say like, if I lost today, I lost, but at least I did something. If you lose tomorrow, you say, yeah, I lost today again, but at least I've learned something new. If you lose again the next day, you have to be like, okay, this is my third loss, but at least I'm not thinking like I was thinking yesterday, but at least I almost collected the issue I had. So if you do it like that, there's no way you're going to fail in trading. I personally, I can't call myself successful yet because my story isn't completed yet. So I have no much confidence to say that I'm successful. But at my age and where I come from and the level I was on and the difference between where I was and where I'm here now and where I think I'm heading, that what only is called success too. So I'm heading higher, and I like to record everything, the whole process. So in the future, it would be like, you see, at this date, at this day, it was like this and like this. As I'm saying right now, I can show you my past and be like, wow, something changed. You get? So if you want to succeed in trading, you have to first write down or keep reminding yourself the reason why you want to do trading. If you want to do it because someone else has done it, that's not good enough for you to stay in trading. If you want to start trading because you want to have a side job, no, it won't work for you easily. If again you started trading because you were forced by your parents or by a friend to do it, it won't work. The only reason that will keep you trading and forcing it again and again is the situation you're in now. The situation you have right now, the poverty you're living in, the dreams. You want to do something for your parents, you want to do something for your siblings. Those are the main reasons why you keep trading. Thank you for watching. I might ask you to subscribe to my channel like others do, but I'm not really interested in your subscription. If you think I deserve it, you can put it on, but if you don't think I deserve it, you can keep scrolling. Peace.